Air dominance has always defined global power. In World War II, it was the Spitfire. In the Cold War, it was the F-15 and MiG-29. In the 21st century, it's the stealthy F-35 and J-20. But the battlefield is evolving once again. The world's superpowers are already racing toward a sixth-generation fighter, a machine that will redefine how wars are fought in the skies. The question is, can India keep pace, or will we be forced to watch from the ground as others dominate the heavens of tomorrow? Stay until the end to find out. Before we move forward, please like, share, and subscribe Strategic Vanguard and be up to date with the latest news and happenings from the world of defense, strategic, and international affairs. Tune into our video channels in YouTube and Rumble. And if you want to hear the audio version, tune into our Strategic Vanguard channels in Spotify and Amazon Music. These are not just faster, stealthier jets. They are flying supercomputers, battle hubs in the sky. Stealth beyond radar, not just evading radar, but defeating multi-spectrum detection, infrared, acoustic, even quantum sensors. AI-enabled cockpits, where the pilot is no longer flying the aircraft, but commanding a digital brain that fights alongside him. Manned-unmanned teaming, swarms of loyal Wingman drones carrying missiles, jammers, and sensors, controlled by one fighter. Hypersonic and directed energy weapons, missiles that travel faster than Mach 5, and laser cannons that destroy targets at the speed of light. Adaptive cycle engines, jet engines that can shift modes for stealth, speed, or endurance, making range almost limitless. System of systems warfare. Fighters no longer fight alone. They're networked to satellites, warships, ground radars, and drones, all in real time. This is what separates the next leap from today's fifth generation. If the F-35 is the iPhone of the skies, the sixth-gen fighter will be a quantum supercomputer. Unsurprisingly, the biggest players are already years ahead. The United States is working on the NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance Program. Rumors say prototypes have already flown. Its cost? Astronomical. Some say a single fighter may cost over $300 million. But the US is clear. Whoever controls the skies controls the world. Europe is divided but determined. France, Germany, and Spain are developing the FCAS project, while the UK, Italy, and Japan have teamed up on GCAP, also called Tempest. For Europe, this isn't just about defense, it's about staying relevant in a US-China-dominated world. China is the dark horse. While the J-20 still matures, whispers of a sixth-generation prototype are growing louder. With unlimited budgets and a proven record of rapid prototyping, Beijing is determined to leapfrog. Russia, meanwhile, struggles. The Su-57 is barely in serial production. The Su-75 checkmate remains a paper plane. And with sanctions and war costs, a sixth-gen fighter may be an impossible dream for Moscow. The race is global, the stakes are high, and every year of delay can mean a decade of disadvantage. India's story is different. We are not starting from scratch, but we are racing against time. The AMCA, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, is India's answer to the fifth generation. But it is still on the drawing board. Even the prototype is years away. By the time AMCA enters service, the US and China may already be fielding their sixth-generation jets. The Loyal Wingman program, a promising step. India is working on drone teammates that can fly alongside manned fighters. Hal's Cat's Warrior is a notable example. The engine problem? Our Achilles heel. India still depends on foreign engines from GE or Rolls-Royce. Without mastering propulsion, true sixth-generation ambitions will remain out of reach. Budget constraints. Compare India's defense R&D with the US, a fraction. China's budget dwarfs ours. Europe is pooling resources. India must stretch every rupee. But India has strengths too. Our aerospace base is maturing, from Tejas to AMCA, from Ghatak UCAV to CATS. And most importantly, India's strategic partnerships with France, the US, Israel, and Japan can become technology bridges if negotiated wisely. Before we move forward, please like, share, and subscribe Strategic Vanguard and be up to date with the latest news and happenings from the world of defense, strategic, and international affairs. Tune into our video channels in YouTube and Rumble. And if you want to hear the audio version, tune into our Strategic Vanguard channels in Spotify and Amazon Music. The question isn't whether India can build a 6th-gen fighter. The real question is, can India do it in time? Strengths: a growing indigenous ecosystem, proven design houses like DRDO and HALE, emerging AI and drone expertise. Weaknesses: long delays in projects, over-reliance on foreign partners, lack of an aerospace industrial complex like the US or China. To keep pace, India may need a hybrid strategy, collaborate on international programs like GCAP to absorb cutting-edge tech, invest heavily in niche areas, drone swarms, AI, electronic warfare. Speed up AMCA while planning AMCA 2 as a bridge to 6th gen. If we delay, India risks entering the 2040s with fighters a generation behind its rivals. India stands at a crossroads. Should we chase the 6th generation dream directly, or master the 5.5 gen plus drones approach first? The truth is harsh. A true 6th gen fighter may cost billions and take decades. But ignoring the race is even more dangerous. China will not wait. The US will not slow down. India must therefore choose wisely. Balance ambition with pragmatism, partnerships with independence, and speed with sustainability. The cost of failure is not just financial, it is strategic irrelevance. The skies of 2040 will not be forgiving. Nations that own the future of air combat will command global power. For India, this is more than just a question of aircraft. It is about survival in a dangerous neighborhood and credibility on the world stage. So, can India keep pace with the 6th generation race, or will we once again be forced to buy our future from others? The answer will decide whether India soars, or whether it is grounded in the shadows of the superpowers. If you found this deep dive valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Strategic Vanguard, and share it with others who care about India's defense and global strategy. Every click, every share helps us grow and bring you more powerful insights into the future of warfare.